Hello, this is a continuation of the earlier release, which was part one for Git Reset. And in this one, okay, in the previous one, we saw Git Reset hyphen hyphen hard and then Git Reset hyphen hyphen soft and without any options, Git Reset. And we saw how the result was. And now we're gonna take the same example. Let me open that for you. Okay, so we're gonna same four commits C1, C2, C3, and C4, which I've already done it. So if you open this one, so say C1, C2, C3, C4, and I have only one branch which is in master. Now earlier when we did git reset and then if you type this commit id, it will go to it will be like this, that is it will be like this. So yeah, so it was earlier c1, c2, c3, c4, and after you do the reset it will be like this. So wherein we were only on the master branch, but what happens is after you moved to c1 and c2, it's definitely c3 and c4 will be deleted. Okay, even though we have many other ways to get it back, but for now, but that's kind of advanced. But I'm going to explain you in a different way that it's a kind of shortcut. Yeah, because git is nothing but branching. You can create multiple branches. It's not that much of costly, like if you go back to svn or something, it's kind of costly when you create branches. But here git is all about, the famous feature is all about branches. You can create n number of branches and you can merge it. So now what I'm going to do is git checkout hyphen b, and then I'm gonna give a branch name. For example, project state, old project state is a branch name, and then I'm gonna give this id here, paste. So what it is going to do here is it's going to create a new branch. The branch name I've given as old project state, and the checkout is nothing but it will switch from master to this new branch, and then with this commit id only, that is with c1 and c2, I will have, when I'm typing git log after I switch to that branch, I'll get only these two commit IDs. I'll not get c3 and c4. Just see how it looks. So I've done it. Now git log hyphen hyphen one line. See, I've got only c1 and c2, wherein I'm just maintaining c3, c4. I'm not if I do the older way in my part 1 video, what I did not run this command at all. I just directly ran git reset hyphen hyphen hard or hyphen hyphen soft in the master branch, and c3 and c4 is gone. Yeah, but this is a kind of safer way by creating a new branch and then with the commit id, wherein we will have only the commits which you're looking for. Yeah, so this is a simple option which we can use this. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you.